Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download Photoleap on your Android device. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you will need to do is open Play Store on your phone. You can see the search icon on the bottom right hand side. Just go ahead and tap on the search icon 2 times and you will be headed to the search. What you need to do now is search for Photoleap. As soon as you search it, you can see that Photoleap appears. So you can just click on Photoleap and click install. So it'll be downloaded and installed in a while. To learn more about this app, you can see about this app, just go ahead and click it so you can see what Photoleap is. Unleash your creativity with Photoleap, AI photo editor that brings your picture to life wherever you're a pro, designer or a casual photographer. Photoleap lets you craft captivating digital art and photography like never before. So it has the AI-powered magic at your fingertips. Experience the future of photo editing with Photoleap's AI features. You can transform selfies into art with AI avatars and text to image AI photo generator. You can add vivid colors, striking details, and immersive effects using AI presets. So you can see some of the functionalities of this AI photo editor, which is called Photoleap. It is a really fast-paced thing which you can use for editing your photos and generating art as well. So this is how you can download and install the Photoleap app on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.